Hi friends, welcome back to Azure Content YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share you quick insights about how to start your learnings with Microsoft Learn documentation. If you are already working on Microsoft related products, this video is also for you. If you are a newbie where you want to start your learning journey for any of the roles like Azure Data Engineering role, Azure Data Scientist role, or Data Analyst role, or any of the Microsoft product related role, you can take this video as a guidance video where it will guide you on how to start your journey on learning with Microsoft Learn documentation. As many a times we want to start our learning journey, but we are stuck with so much in hand, but we don't know where to start. And even if we finish one module or one learning path, we don't know which one to opt next and which one would be suitable for our current role or for the role we are aspiring to get into. So in this video, I'm going to show what you can do in order to create your plans for learning with the help of AI in Microsoft Learn documentation. So stick till the end of this video. So I'm going to go to the browser and search for Microsoft Learn documentation. And here you'll find the first link where it is directing me to the learn.microsoft.com. And it has directly taken me to the documentation URL. But if in case you know the path you want to take, if suppose you want to start your learning with Power BI, you can directly go to the Power BI documentation and start your journey of learning, right? But suppose you are not aware of what exactly you want to study. It's not about one product. You want to take up the entire course which would be related to your associated role. For example, if you want to be a data engineer, it's not just Power BI. You want to learn Microsoft Fabric, you want to learn ADF, Synapse, Power BI, and a lot of things. But you might not want to go through the entire product related documentation. You want to have the knowledge of everything but only related to data engineering role. Okay, so for that, what you can do is you can create your learning plans by going into this learn documentation, and you can see it took me to the root URL, or you can directly say learn.microsoft.com and without any suffix here. So it will land you to this page. And if I scroll down, so if I scroll down here, you can see it has given me some of the popular technical resources and trainings. If you want to take it up, you can go for it. But if I scroll further more, you can see there's something called create a personalized learning plan. So this is going to be created with the help of AI. So you can create your learning plan with AI. So let me hit on that. And here you can see it is giving me options. So first of all, I have a Microsoft account in Learn website. You can create your own as well. So that's why it is able to recognize me. And now you can say you can choose your plan goal. So if you want to grow in your current career, you can go for this. If you want to start a new career, you can go for this icon. Or else if you want to have some learning materials only for a specific project, you can try this one. Or if you want to just generate some learning plan based on one particular goal, you can go with this. Okay, so I'm going to go with grow in current career. So I am a data engineer and I want to grow in my current career. So I'll select for my role, that is data engineer role. And here you need to provide your detailed title and responsibilities. So instead of writing it manually, I can go with the Copilot and ask to generate the detailed title and responsibility for the role which I want to look for. Okay, so I'm going to say generate detailed title and responsibility for my role Azure Data Engineer in order to start my learning journey. Okay, so you can review it, and if you can modify the AI generated answer which you get now. So here you can see it has given me the role and responsibilities, um, of an Azure data engineer. So this is just for the demo purpose. So I'm going to copy and paste it, but you can change it according to your needs. Here you can see there is a limitation of words. So I'll tell crisp it to 200 words, and the output format should be paragraph. Okay, so we got the role related specifications. So let me copy paste it. Okay, so currently it's not taking more than maybe two liners. Okay, so that is fine. Now it says, what's your current career stage? So I'm in the middle career, 5 to 10 years. So let me hit on next. And now it is asking me to select my career goals. And I need to select all that applies. So here the options are, if you want to enhance your skill set, you can go for this, or if you want to earn a professional credential, or if you want to complete a challenging project, you can go for this one. So let me go ahead with enhance my skill set. So I want to upgrade my skill set. So here you have to select the subject. So related to data engineering role, do you want to enhance your data management skills, or you want to learn something related to AI, which can be suitable for data engineers, or you want to go ahead and learn more relevant content for application development? So I'll go with something that is related to AI. So in that you have to further select the category. What do you want to exactly learn? So here you can hold control button to select multiple options. So let me select generative AI, machine learning, and that's it. Okay, and then here it is optional, but you can select earn a professional credential, industry recognized certification, or applied skills. So I'll go with certification. So let me aim for a certification, maybe um, fabric fabric data engineer associate, because it is more relevant to my current role. And then complete a challenging project at work. So you need to specify the project details. So let me generate the content for this as well from with the help of AI. So I will say generate my project details in brief, where it specifies my tech stacks, goals, and success metrics, not more than 100 words. Okay, let's see what it gives. Okay, so I got the project brief. Let me copy that and paste it here. Okay, I'll remove few of the things from here. You can read through it and modify it as per needed. And then I'll click on next, and it says how much time you can dedicate weekly for this learning path. So I'll say um, maybe weekly I can give 5 to 10 hours, maybe 1 or 1.5 hour per day. And then when do you want to finish your learning plan? Maybe I want to finish it within 3 months, not more than that. Okay, now I clicked on next, and you can see it is generating my plan. So let's wait for that. It's checking all the learning path, and it is checking the completion time I have given. So here you can see uh, it has given me one of the learning path that I can go for, and by going through it, by the end of this plan, you will be able to ingest data into Microsoft Fabric, Dataflow, and pipelines, and you'll also be able to implement operational databases with SQL database and Microsoft Fabric. Also, you will learn about CI/CD. That is the outcome, and there are 4 milestones in this plan. These are the core data engineering related milestones, and these are certifications, and these are related to Fabric training and Fabric Data Engineering Associate. So within that learning plan, maybe there are few modules related to AI and generative AI, what we have selected. So now this is done. And if I click on get started, it will take me to my profile. It says your plan have been saved to your profile. So let me click on my profile, and here I've landed on the profile page, and I can directly start my learning from here. So this is my profile, and here you can see there is a separate section for plans, and you can see all the courses that the AI has created for me. So this is the one which is created just now. Let me click on the plan, and let's navigate through the plan in details. So let's wait. Yeah, so here it is. It has 4 milestones in this plan, and in each of the milestone there is 2 learning path. This is the first milestone, and you can edit your milestone name as well. Then this is the second milestone where we have another 2 learning path. Then third milestone has 1 learning path, and fourth milestone has 1 certification. Okay. And if I go inside this learning path, you can see there are multiple modules within 1 learning path. So here in 1 learning path, you can see there are 3 modules. Okay. And I can very well go and start this module. It says Introduction to Data Engineering on Azure. This is the first module that it is recommending me to start. And if I go to the first article that it has, so this is just an introduction, and then it says what is data engineering. Okay, then important data engineering concepts. Okay, all of these you can go through. So if you think about the difference between you directly going to the documentation of the product, suppose maybe if you want to learn uh, analytics related products, maybe data factory. Of course, you can start your learning with the documentation of Azure Data Factory. But beyond this, before even jumping into learning what is Data Factory and what are the different concepts of Data Factory and how to use it and all of those things, before even doing that, if you want to start from scratch, what is data engineering role? What are the concepts of data engineering role? What are the terminologies most widely used in data engineering role? And even after that, what is the next module or next learning path I should look for? There is something called Azure Data Lake Storage. If you're newbie, you do not know, right? You do not know that instead of just learning ADF, it somewhere is connected to the storage account as well, and you need to learn about ADLS Gen 2. And there is something also called Azure Synapse. So you might not be aware of what are all the things that is relevant into your learning for your roles, right? And similar to that, there is the next milestone that talks about Microsoft Fabric. This is also one of the most important things when you are starting your learning journey for Azure Data Engineering now. Fabric has been launched in May 2023. It's more than 2 years now. So Microsoft Fabric is also one of the most important things to learn now. And not only for data engineer, anyone related to data is supposed to learn Microsoft Fabric, be it data engineers, analysts, or data scientists, because Microsoft Fabric is an integrated platform where all of these three data professionals can work together. And as a part of milestone 4, it is also recommending us the certification that you can go for. And if you take this course, you can very well start your learning for the certification for Microsoft Fabric Data Engineer. That course is named as DP 700, right? So you can go through the whole syllabus. These are the full syllabus guidance that this is providing. So this is very good thing. You can start your learning with the help of this Microsoft Learn documentation, and within that you can create your plan with the help of AI. So this is going to create your personalized learning plans. So now is the time. Start your learning journey by creating your own personalized plan and start learning module by module. And by the end of 1 month, 2 month, you will be definitely holding your certification in your hand. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you. I hope this video helps, and I hope many of you who are stuck with the first step would be able to go through it and overcome the fear of starting. So with this, let's stay motivated, let's keep growing, and let's share what we learn. So please stay tuned for the next video, and I'll be sharing these kind of knowledges more often, so that you all will also be able to start your learning journey or continue your learning journey while doing your regular works as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit on like button and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And I would really recommend you to please comment down your thoughts on how was this video, and also your feedback will be super helpful to help me understand what are my audience is engaged on. Are you really a data engineer? Are you thinking to take on data engineering job, or what are you looking for as a help through this channel? Please let me know so that I can also align my videos with your requirement. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned. Thank you.